And the stage is set for the Samvidhan showdown in Parliament. Lok Sabha will begin the two-day debate on the Constitution today. This will be a special discussion on the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution of India. Remember, the Samvidhan has become a big political flashpoint of late. The Modi government has accused Rahul and the Congress of insulting the Samvidhan. Big fireworks are expected in the House today. Rajnath Singh will be opening the debate for the BJP. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be the first speaker for the opposition. Here's how the line of speakers looks like in both Team NDA and Team India, which is the opposition. There will be 12 to 15 speakers from the NDA that will include Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and Shiv Sena's Shrikant Shinde, also LJP's Shambhavi Chaudhary. For the India Alliance, Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi have been given 2 hours and 20 minutes to speak. TMC's Mahua Moitra, Kalyan Banerjee, DMK's A. Raja will be speaking. The Prime Minister will be responding to the debate on Saturday. Both the BJP and the Congress have issued a whip to their MPs to be present in the House for this discussion.
कांग्रेस पॉजिटिव है। कांग्रेस ने ये तय कर रखा है कि हाउस चलना चाहिए। किसी भी हालत में बीजेपी की साजिश को नाकाम करना है कि जो हाउस न चलने दे। संविधान पर चर्चा लिस्टेड है लोकसभा में, हम चाहेंगे संविधान पर चर्चा हो।
और आज जहां हम संविधान दिवस मना रहे हैं 75वां, तो वहीं बहुत सारे जो हमारे अधिकार हैं जिनका लगातार हनन मौजूदा सरकार कर रही है, इस पे भी प्रश्न उठता है आज। और जो 2 दिन का जो स्पीच होगी तो हम सब अपने पक्ष को रखेंगे इस मुद्दे पे।
Getting in more details on that big story, Piyush, first of all, for our viewers, just take us through the itinerary. When is the discussion going to start? Who are the first speakers? How is this going to flow up until tomorrow?
Well, so at around 12 p.m., the discussion on Constitution Day to begin, and that will be initiated by Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, following which we can expect other leaders of NDA like H.D. Kumaraswamy, Shambhavi Chaudhary from LJP, and then we have other leaders from NDA who will be speaking. After this, we can expect opposition also to speak, and from opposition, most likely what we are learning is that Priyanka Gandhi is going to make her debut speech in Lok Sabha, where she is going to raise the issues related to Constitution. Remember that the opposition had been demanding for a debate on Constitution Day, and for the same purpose they also met with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, and there itself it was decided that yes, the debate will take place, and today finally the debate on Constitution Day is taking place. 12 hours have been allotted for debate in Lok Sabha, 12 hours in Rajya Sabha, and if needed, the hours can also be extended. 6 hours have been given to ruling government and 6 to opposition in both the houses. So that's what the itinerary which we are right now picking. As far as the government sources are concerned, what we are learning is that the issues like emergency which was imposed during the Congress regime, various constitutional amendments those have been made by the Congress ruled government, and also the fake narrative which the India bloc tried to spread of constitution change. These would be the issues on which the government is most likely going to keep focus during the Constitution Day debate. Today, Rajnath Singh will be beginning, and PM Narendra Modi is most likely to reply to the debate of Constitution or debate of 75 years of Constitution tomorrow in the evening. And in Rajya Sabha, which is also to begin on 16th of December, Home Minister Amit Shah is going to initiate, and then we can expect other leaders from Rajya Sabha of opposition to speak.
Right, Piyush, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting asked those details as far as the discussion on the Samvidhan is concerned here.